Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. You're probably right now watching at the title of this video and you are thinking, Chris, what are you talking about there? Are you going nuts? Are you completely losing grip to reality? Wait for this. I want to prove it. I want to show you in the charts why I am making these claims. I will be talking about Bitcoin. I will be talking about Ethereum and much more. I will be also talking about my current multi-million US dollar trade on Bitcoin, which is in a profit. But more importantly, I want to talk about how we can rule this situation for Bitcoin and for Ethereum in the immediate short-term trading wise. I have exact price targets, I have exact trades set for you. We will talk about everything. So all you have to do is go down below the video, scroll down, smash up the like button to a new all-time high, as you're always doing that. Thank you so much for your support. I am here right now in my YouTube studio van and on my way to a very nice meetup. But of course, I want to push this video to you here as fast as possible because what's happening right now is extremely important. And many people are looking at Bitcoin right now, which is fine, which is legit. More importantly, it is to look at Ethereum. Whenever Ethereum is taking the lead against Bitcoin, this is when we are getting very vigilant. However, let's start on the Bitcoin price here. Let's start on the Bitcoin price and talk about where the Bitcoin price is most likely to go here in the immediate short term before I'm going over to Ethereum. And I want to mention a very specific price target, which you'll probably not believe your eyes when you're seeing that. So now let's talk about Bitcoin. And by the way, guys, just quickly, if you want to be trading as well, I'm having here a Bitcoin trade open over on Femex, $7.4 million. You can see $1.22 million in a profit. And on the bottom left side, you can see a Chainlink trade, 46,000. So yes, I am trading altcoins every now and then. But of course, trading Bitcoin is much better here. But altcoins sometimes very profitable. If you want to do that as well, only as experienced trader, $7,400 in free bonuses. On Bybit alone, you get a $5,100 US dollar bonus link for free. Clicking our link, make an account after your initial deposit, you get these bonuses for free, almost 7.5 thousand US dollars. Now let's go back into the Bitcoin chart, and what you can see here on the 4-hourly candles, can also plot it on the hourly, is that we had this falling wedge. And there's something very bullish was actually happening yesterday. I updated you over on Twitter at mmcrypto about it. This wick here, this wick is insane. This was a very bullish wick actually, because the price dumped down, but the bulls took over control immediately, supported this support area here and bought the price up like crazy. So I am right now making a claim. I think, and I can be wrong here, guys, I will tell you exactly what can happen if I'm wrong, but I think the breakout to the upside is now much more likely than the breakout to the downside. Number one, we are going bullishly into it. Number two, we are having a falling wedge pattern with a bullish bias. Number three, we are having a massive wick here on the downside. So we are having three different things here coming in perfect confluence. The price target of this breakout would be approximately 66,800 US dollars. I would be taking profits before that price target. If we are, however, getting another rejection here, and this is important to understand, if a 4-hour candle closes below the new support here, I'm expecting at least a retrace to 58,000 US dollars, at least to speak. I don't think this is going to happen, just to have you prepared for this specific scenario. So far for Bitcoin, this is the first price target. The second one is of course still the price target of the cup and handle pattern, 72 to 74,000 US dollars. However, now let's talk about Ethereum, because Ethereum is giving us a much better clue about what is going to happen in the immediate future for Bitcoin as well. Whenever Ethereum is taking the lead against Bitcoin, dear ladies and gentlemen, let me show you this. Let's start on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, US dollar chart. You can see, if I am zooming out here, see the upper horizontal line? This was the all-time high. So we wicked above the all-time high. Very important to understand is we did not get a daily or 4-hourly close above the all-time high. Once Ethereum closes a daily candle above the previous all-time high, this is the moment I'm looking out for the big moonshot. And now the question is, where is this big moonshot heading to? Let's go to the Bitcoin Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. So Ethereum measured in Bitcoin. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me zoom out. This is the moment I've been waiting for. You know what? Let's go to the weekly. Let's go to the weekly. This is beautiful. I remember how I was talking about that like 3-4. You know what? I was talking about that in March. I made a fully dedicated Ethereum video in March, and I was talking about Ethereum is going to take the lead against Bitcoin once we broke out from this huge symmetrical triangle. Ethereum was 3% of the Bitcoin price. Now we already doubled. And what if I told you that my price target of Ethereum against Bitcoin is all the way up here at 19%? 19%, dear ladies and gentlemen, at the current price, this would bring the Ethereum to a price level of 12 to 13,000 US dollars, actually 13,000 US dollars. Now consider that when Ethereum goes higher, Bitcoin goes higher. So if Bitcoin just reaches, for example, my 74,000 US dollar price level, we would be talking about a 15,000 US dollar for Ethereum. These are the price targets I'm looking out for. Ethereum is clearly on the weekly here on a massive uptrend here against Bitcoin and against US dollar. This is, and of course not necessarily today or tomorrow, but on the mid time frames, on the higher time frames, this is most probably going to continue. These are my price predictions. I'm still sticking to them. Sometimes we are having some noise in the meantime and people are laughing at us. People are almost spitting at us while laughing. If you're just zooming out, you can see the Crypto family is on the right track. Do you want to celebrate that by going down below, not only smashing the like button, but also pressing subscribe, pressing the bell and pressing on all? This is what we've been waiting for, and finally the times are happening. Finally, the things we were waiting for are happening. Very exciting times. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. And obviously, guys, if you want to be trading as well, I am keeping this trade open. I am going to scale it up very soon if we are going to continue this rise towards the upside. Make sure you are going down below, and in the pinned comment down below, you will find a 7,400 US dollar bonus for free on Bybit alone, a $5,000 bonus, by far the highest bonus I have seen so far. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see the version at the next one of Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, I'm gonna drink some coconut water. Bye bye.